Hello guys, today in this video I am going to show you how to create multiple YouTube channels with one Gmail account. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome. Then here you search for youtube.com. Make sure you are signed into your Gmail account. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. After that, tap on three dots at the top right corner. Make sure the desktop side is checked. Then tap on your profile picture icon. After that, tap and hold on the YouTube Studio option. This will open your main YouTube channel in a new tab. Just tap on that new tab. Now your YouTube channel will open. Here you click on settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. In the settings, here you tap on channel. Then tap on advanced settings. After that, just scroll down. Then here you tap on manage YouTube account. After that, click on create a new channel from here. Now here you enter the name of the new channel that you want to create. You can also create a handle name for your new channel from here. Simply enter the name you want for your handle. After that, tap on create channel. Now your second YouTube channel has been successfully created. Now you can enjoy your favorite tech videos in Hindi only on my new YouTube channel TechMake. So please subscribe now. If I now open the YouTube app, you can see that my second YouTube channel has been created under the same Gmail account. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like.